The administration link allows you to manage the administrators related to your site or account. The Reading Horizons Elevate software uses 3 administration roles to meet the needs of teachers and other stakeholders. They are instructor, site administrator, and account administrator. The instructor level is most often used by classroom teachers and instructors. It provides access to the class role and reports for all students whom the instructor is managing directly. Instructors have access to the message center, preview content, and relevant advanced settings, and can create groups from their class role. The site administrator level is used by program coordinators and other administrators who manage multiple teachers. This level provides the same access as the instructor level, but also includes access to the administration section, where instructor and site level users can be added and managed. The site level also allows a user to view reports for all students and instructors within the site. The account administrator level is used primarily by administrators who supervise multiple programs, schools, or sites. This level allows the same access as site and instructor levels, along with additional permissions such as the ability to allocate new sites and student entries, to add and manage instructor, site, and account level users, and to view data across all sites within an account. To add an administrator, click on the Add Administrator button and enter administrator details. Enter the preferred email address for the administrator and click on the Check Email button to see if the target email is already being used in the system. If it is being used, then the name fields will auto-populate. If it is not being used, then you can enter the administrator's first name and last name. Select the appropriate role of the administrator. Account administrators have access to creating administrators at all 3 levels, while site administrators only have access to creating site administrators and instructors. When you're done, be sure to click the Save button. To edit an administrator, select the target administrator's name from the list and click on the Edit Administrator button. Make changes to the administrator information as desired and click the Save button. To delete an administrator, select the target administrator's name from the list of administrators and click on the Delete Administrator button.